Forgotten your password? No worries. Here's a quick tutorial on how to reset your password and get straight back into learning. It happens to all of us, and luckily, there is a quick and easy solution. Navigate to the sign-in page, click Forgot Password. Here, you will enter the email address you used to create your account. Once you have filled in your email, click on the Request button. A confirmation screen will appear. Double-check the screen and ensure that you have inputted the correct email address. You wouldn't want your data shared to someone who isn't you. If you think you may have made an error, you can simply click on Resetting your password and repeat the previous step. A reset password email will now be sent through to your inbox. It may take a few moments for the email to arrive in your inbox, but if a substantial amount of time has passed and still nothing has appeared, check your junk folder, just in case. The email may have been flagged as spam. The reset password link is valid for 48 hours. If you do not reset your password within the 48-hour window, you will have to repeat the previous step. When you're ready to create your new password, make a note of it and store it somewhere safe, so that next time you log in, you can do so with ease. And that's it. Your password has been reset. You may now log into your account using your new password.